BBC rapporterar att den amerikanska reportern Brent Renauds har avlidit i Ukraina efter att ha blivit måltavla för ryska trupper när han skulle dokumentera medborgare som evakuerades. BBC intervjuar kollegan till den avlidne journalisten. Kollegan kan inte sluta le när hon berättar om sin nu döda vän.
Brent's an amazing person. He's very generous. He would always help his colleagues. He's funny, very smart. He doesn't talk a lot, but when he says something, it's always spot on. And you know he would always help you whenever you needed something from him.
It must seem as if it's not real. And I'll tell you why I say that, because you're speaking about him in the present.
Yeah.
Reportern får påminna henne om att den hon pratar om är död.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did he do this job?
I think he wanted to tell the stories of the people who are affected by these crises, and he wanted to make the crisis that happened in the world let people really feel what's happening by getting close to the people that he would portray. He's really good at telling human stories. I think that's what he was always aiming to do.
Have you worked in conflict areas yourself?
I have, yeah, and I actually traveled with Brent to the Venezuelan border as well, so we worked together there, and that was one of the times I could see how amazing he is in making people feel at ease and just has incredible empathy for his subjects, and that makes his work really powerful.
Maya, what would you want the world to know about your friend?
That's hard to summarize in a short period, but I honestly mean he really was an amazing person, and a really experienced reporter, and just it's a really big loss that he's not here anymore.
Would you reconsider your profession at all? I mean, this is the ultimate price that has been paid.
No, I think it only motivates me even more.
Why is that? Why is that?
Because, when reporters, if people don't know what's going on the ground, and that's not... We have to know what's going on in these areas in order to be informed and make the right decisions on what to do.
When was the last time you spoke to him, Maya?
I think it was 4 days ago.
And how was he?
He was doing fine. He was actually excited to work on this documentary, and he was doing really well.
SVT Aktuellt 15 mars 2022.
Om man tittar på situationen när den har varit, så har en amerikansk journalist nu dött efter skadats av beskjutning. Och även hans medhjälpare, ukrainska medhjälpare, dödades. Och reportern då i det här teamet har amputerats på grund av de skador som han ådrog sig.
En amerikansk journalist ska ha dött efter att ha skadats. Hans ukrainska medhjälpare ska också ha dödats. Reportern i teamet har amputerats. Här är reportern som sägs ha amputerats.
I hope everything will be okay. Thank you.
Vad är det han sätter runt halsen?
Tell me, please, what is your name?
Wine.
Wine?
One.
Where are you from?
The U.S.
Yes. What happened to you?
We crossed the first bridge in Irpin. We're going to film other refugees leaving, and we got onto a car. Somebody offered to take us to the other bridge, and we crossed a checkpoint, and they start shooting at us. So the driver turned around, and they kept shooting. It's two of us. My friend is Brent Renauds, and he's been shot and left behind.
And how is he?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know what happened to him.
I saw him being shot in the neck, and we got split, and I got pulled onto the.
And who brought you here?
An ambulance. I don't know.
Tell me please, what is your name?
Tack för att ni tittade. Sprid och stötta kanalen 0735 30 95 07.